Now this one's pretty simple. Get a pre-cooked chicken breast, chop it up, throw it in a hot pan and add some of my Guzzalo Buffalo sauce. Once that's in, give it a bit of a mash around and then add about 1/3 of a cup of water. Leave that to boil and go all juicy and thicken up and then mash it up so it goes all pooled. Next up, we're going to make some blue cheese sauce. Let's take some mayo, a little bit of sour cream, then we've got some parsley. Now time for that delicious blue cheese. A squeeze of lemon, then we're going to give it a crack of pepper, a sprinkle of salt, a little dash of milk before mixing it liberally. Today I've gone with a toasted sourdough. We're going to get that on our plate, add some big handful of lettuce, dump a load of that delicious buffalo chicken on, add a bit more buffalo sauce because why not, and then let's get our blue cheese dressing. Slap the lid on and then let's cut that into triangles to get the best flavour we possibly can. Look at that, absolutely delicious. Here's an example of when things go wrong. First bite and I got the wishbone stuck in my mouth. Start it out though, maybe.